Hello everyone, my name is Shadan Siraj and I am currently doing an internship under Lexis and Company. So today we'll be discussing what is charge. The term charge is defined under section 2 subsection B of the CRPC. The charge should always be clear and specific. It must refer to the section of the Indian Penal Code under which the offence is charged and is punishable. It should also specify distinctly the portion of the section which is applicable to the case. Like in Musa versus State of Maharashtra, the Addition Sessions Judge framed charges against the accused persons under Section 149 and 395 of the Indian Penal Code, which comes into existence when an act of dacoity is committed by 5 or more persons jointly. The question of applying Section 149 was held to be mere surplusage. That is where a charge under Section 395 of the Penal Code is framed. No charge under Section 149 of the same offence needed to be framed. Now, what constitutes a charge? Content of charge which is stated under section 211 of CRPC, the offence to be stated are that it must state the offence with which the accused is charged. If the law creates the specific name of the offence must be described in the charge by the name. If it does not give any specific name, the definition of the offence must be stated. The law and section of the law against which the offence is said to be have been committed must be mentioned in the charge. The charge must be written in the language of the court. Now, when can a court alter a charge? As stated under section 216 of the CRPC, the court may alter or add any charge at any time before the judgment is pronounced in the matter. Every charge read and explained to the accused. If the addition or alteration to a charge is that in the opinion of the court, proceeding immediately with the trial is not likely to prejudice and the accused in the defense or prosecutor in the conduct of the case, the court may in discretion proceed with the trial as if the altered or added charge had been the original charge. If, on the other hand, such alteration or addition is likely to prejudice the accused or the prosecutor, the court may adjourn the trial or it may direct a fresh trial. If the charge is altered or added in the offence where the previous sanction is necessary, the court cannot proceed until such sanction already obtained for a prosecution on the same facts as those on which the altered or added charge is framed. Therefore, with these explanations, the basics of what is a charge is covered. Now, I will be ending my video. So, thank you for watching.